Pretty awful day yesterday. A bit quieter today though.
Yeah, it was a bit squeaky bum time yesterday, to coin a phrase from a famous Scottish manager. But we are appearing to stabilise a little bit today. But essentially, we're looking at 5 successive weeks of losses on European markets, worst run, I think, since 2011. And I think investors really need to adjust to the new reality that there's a possibility that the Fed could start to be looking at an exit strategy for its current stimulus plan. Obviously, those concerns out of China about a credit crunch didn't really help on the margins, but that also does appear to be easing, and we're looking at a positive open. And I think more importantly, the FTSE 100 does appear for the moment to be holding above the 200-day moving average.
Okay, now you say it's the worst weekly run, 5 weeks, the worst run since 2011, and we're on for the first monthly decline in a year. But okay, that sounds bad, but the first monthly decline in a year, 11-12 months of increases, we're doing pretty well still. I mean, are we not overreacting here?
Yeah, absolutely, I think so. And I think that's really that's the context I think that you need to put these declines into. We have had a very good run, and I think one monthly decline or 5 weekly declines, yeah, it sounds bad, but as I say, we have to put it into that context. And I think once markets settle down and investors adjust to that new mindset, I think further downside is likely to be possible, but I expect it to be fairly limited.
Okay, Eurogroup and Ecofin meet again today. They met yesterday, and we had some developments, some progress on the process for recapitalising banks through the Eurozone Rescue Fund, the ESM. Like anything with the Eurozone, it seems to be one step forward, maybe half a step back.
Yeah, glacial, I think, is the phrase that I would use with anything to do with Europe. But it is progress of sorts. But I think, with respects to the ESM, there's still concern about legacy issues, i.e. Spanish and Irish banks, and whether or not the ESM will be able to recapitalise those banks. And obviously, we still have the progress, or very slow progress, with respect to banking union. So, you're absolutely right. At least it's a step in the right direction, but it's a very, very small one.